Hello, congratulations to you. If you can see this video, that means you are on the right way to learn. That means you will become better on guitar. Because today, hey, guess what, we are starting with those episodes. There will be 150 episodes, lessons. So from the beginner to the top guitarist to the pro, you need to play like me, like a pro. Oh, welcome. Do not even miss one of these episodes, please. There will be 150 per day will be uploading like 1 or 2 episodes. May God bless you. Welcome. Subscribe if you are new, and it will be from the beginners. We'll do improvisation. We'll do how to play guitar, how to melodies, how to create all of those things, so that you can be you can reach that level that I know now guitar. I will give you all my knowledge, my spirits about guitar. Thank you. Welcome. I'm Joel Ngovi Solaro. Thank you. Yes, welcome good people to this third episode. So today we are doing that thing, and you are very lucky that you found this channel. To all our new subscribers, we say that we have a program of 150 lessons episode on guitar, from a beginner, the very beginner, to the top guitarist. So please be with us and be part of us. Subscribe if you are new, and miss not even one of those episodes. So we still in the key of B, of C. We still here. So today I'll be talking about numbers. For example, you are playing with others, then they say that they tell that for example, 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we say that we are starting from the very beginners. Thank you. So just be ready. Yes, so here it is. This is C. This is C. So that's 1, because the key is C. So 1, numbers 1. That's 1, and this is 2. So 1, C major. 2, number 2. Number 2 is D minor. This is D minor. So this is how this 4th string is open, and then this one is holding the 3rd strings, and here is playing C. So that's 2, or D minor. So 1, 2, or D minor, and then 3. This is E minor. So I'm playing it like this. E. All the strings are open from the 3rd, 2nd, and then the 1st. All of these are open, and then the 6th is open too. But I'm picking the 5th and the 4th here in the 2nd in the 2nd fret. E minor, or 3. So 1, 2, or D minor, and then 3, or E minor. 3, 4. 4 is F, right? that's 4, but we're still in the key of C, F, and then 5 is G. This is G, or this. So this position, this is G and this is G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, and then 6. Here is 6. 6 is A minor. A minor. So A minor, how would I play it? This 5th string is open, and then in the 2nd fret I'm holding, this finger is holding the 4th and the 3rd strings in the same fret, and then this one is holding the 2nd strings in the 1st fret. So that's A minor or 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? I need us to go with it like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's come here up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We said this is 5 and this is 5, so I can play 4, 5, and 6. But let's play this 6 because this is 1. After 1, 4, 5, this is another 1. So this is C and this is C. How do I found them? This is number 1, right? This is our key C. So octave, the octave. I find it by the octave. So this is the octave. And when I found it with the 3rd strings, I will automatically play like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But let's go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1. So this is 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the 5th fret. So I'm playing it like this. This hand is playing all of these strings from the 4th to the 1st strings. So that's 1. Let me count. 1, 2. This is D minor, as I told you. They are the same, they will sound the same thing with this. So 1 or 1, you will just add this and this. 1 and 2, this will play here. 1. So is this, and then this will come here. You will just jump 1 fret and this will come here. 1, 2. This will come here and third. Hope you are seeing it. This one will play all of them like this, and all of from here. So this will come on the 2nd string and this here. So that's 2. And 3, you will play the same thing. You will come like this. 3. And where is 4? 4. 4 is like this. You know this 4. So 4 and 5, 5 and 6. This was 1, but 6 will be like this. Or you can add this. So that's 6. Let us go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me find another one by the octave. This is 1. So this is the octave. That means this is another one. So 1, 4, 5, and 1. So this is another C here. So 1 and 2 will come here. 2 That means this is true. These two will sound like this one and like this. The one who is playing this, another is playing this one, another this one. They are actually playing the same thing. So 1, 2, 3. I will double the same position. Just jump here. 3 and then 4. 4 and 5. 1. So we say that this is 5 when I'm here. 1, 4, 5. So I can play 1, 4, 5. This and this are the same. So after there, 1, 4, 5. Let me found it by the octave. So this is it is another C. So 1, 4, 5, another 1. Attention, here we are like we have started, because this is C. And this is C, this is C, this is C. This is the thing that I told you, that we have only these 3 positions. This one and G and A. So this one will repeat itself here. I'm like, because these 2 points, white points, are this bar. So as I play like this, I will play like this. So this is C, this is C, and then that's C. So as I play like this, I play like this, right? 3, or I double them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. This is this. Can you see that we have already started? So that's the lesson for today. You must know this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. I've shown you the numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, D minor, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor. And when to find another C, I will just find the octave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 also, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 6, right? 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That it is, my good people. So practice this, watch it in slow motion, just watch, and then these are the basics, like the foundation. They are building us up so that when we reach a level that we are now creating the melodies, doing tutorials, you will be able. This is very important. I wish you good luck, and then do them without worrying. You are not just spending your time for free for things that are not valuable, but actually you are building your guitar soul. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So that it is, my good people. Please do this. I know I've helped someone. Thank you. Share, and we are continuing with this 150 episode. I'm telling you, they will change your guitar. They must change. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share with others. Thank you very much. Bye bye.